Hey everyone! Today, I want to remind you of something simple but powerful. Life is a journey, not a destination. We often get so caught up in where we want to be that we forget to appreciate where we are right now. Think about it. Every challenge, every setback, every victory, these are the moments that shape us. They teach us. They build our character. And they prepare us for what's ahead. So, instead of waiting for the perfect moment, let's start celebrating the present. Embrace the process. Trust that where you are today is exactly where you need to be. Keep pushing, keep growing, and remember, the only way to truly fail is to give up. So, let's keep moving forward, not with fear of what's ahead, but with excitement for the growth we're about to experience. Your journey is unique, and it's leading you to incredible places. Stay motivated, stay focused, and most importantly, stay grateful for every step along the way. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more positive vibes.